Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel.
NFT Tiger is right back with the second promotion of DeFi, decentralized finance. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return, it's safe and secure for you, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. So the details are there. I already mentioned in my recent video. So in this video, I will share with you the updates and what kind of changes are going on and what kind of big guns are involving in this platform that can make Web3 AI super app different than the other platforms. So it's quite amazing. You can see here the details, Web3 AI super app, your DeFi portfolio tracker. So you can see here, control your digital asset with the full certain innovative tools and invest confidently and supported by auditing experts. So there are a lot of experts are working behind this platform. This is not a matter of few days because they are working since last many years on decentralized finance. So hope so. You can see here, I will show you the tweets about this platform. You can see here in their official Twitter, you can see all the information and the attraction of big guns here. You can see here all the details are there. Next, you can see here Donald Trump Jr. About for the future of a decentralized finance. So there is a conference for there and he was discussing about the decentralized finance. It's mean it has a big future for you and the people who want to invest in, so they have a perfect opportunity at the moment, because if it happen and if they add decentralized finance in their portfolio, so it can make a big difference in the crypto history. So hope so it will happen. So next you can see Kevin Lowry details are there. You can see here he posted on tweet that I'm looking forward to speaking at the decentralized finance conference on the Feb 26th and come and join. So it's a good news for all crypto lovers and who want to invest in decentralized finance. Next, you can see here, investor details are there. You can study more information because they're backing up a very strong community. And none of the project can be successful without active and strong community. And they have a massive community behind that that makes this platform different than the other platform. You can see here, CMA Capital. Next, you can see here, Consensi and Hobby Ventures and the D-Finance Capital and Hof Capital. Next you can see here NGC, okay, Blockchain Dream Ventures. Next you can see all big platforms are backing up this platform. Listed all exchanges. You can jump in, you can buy that and hold that until it hit its target. And you can also stake and investing. Via investing, you can generate the best return on daily basis. So it's a good opportunity for you. So I already told you all the information regarding that. You can see guys further information about decentralized finance. You can see here the details about new era of finance on DeFi. So as you can see, informations are there and you can see all the details next. So the main focus is to guide you the potential and safety and reliability of decentralized finance, because I introduced many platforms in recent years. But after many years, I saw the platform like this, decentralized finance, that appears with a strong hype and a lot of big guns are involving in it and they want to invest in and they want to add in their portfolio. So that's a good sign, and it's mean that it will stay for the longer period of time and you can generate best return via decentralized finance. So these were the detail that I was going to tell you and the information that I want to tell you. So hope so you briefly understand about that, and all the information, all the detail regarding decentralized finance are there. And you can approach the links because it's very important for you. When you join the links, you will become the member of the community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding decentralized finance. So it's quite perfect. So this was the information that I provide you, and I hope so you briefly understand. And if there is any questions, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. So we'll meet in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.